Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can budget with Sofi, so let's get started. First, open your Sofi app and head over to the banking section. Here, you'll find features that let you view your income, expenses, and balances all in one place. This is the foundation of setting up your budget. Next, you can take advantage of Sofi Vaults. Vaults are like digital envelopes that allow you to separate money for specific goals, whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or paying off debt. Simply create a new vault, set a target amount, and start transferring money into it. Another helpful feature is automatic savings. You can schedule recurring transfers into your vaults or savings account, and this ensures that you're consistently setting aside money without having to think about it. Sofi also gives you spending insights, which categorize your purchases and show you where your money is going each month. By reviewing these insights, you can adjust your habits, cutting back where needed and allocating more funds toward your priorities. Finally, you can set alerts and reminders to help you stay disciplined with your budget and avoid overspending. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.